What up, folks? Another review, another welding cart review and welder review. This cart, I'll start with it. This is the cheap model from Harbor Freight. $50. Got it on sale for the 12 deals of Christmas or whatever it is, 12 days of deals, whatever. 40% off, $50, $30 welding cart. Not very handy. Took me about 45 minutes to put all together. You may have seen my other review with the other welding cart, the bigger welding cart from Harbor Freight. This is 100 pounds capacity, holding capacity. The other one was 286, had the nice drawers, the nice box. This is just the cheap version that I bought for this welder. It's a welder slash hot stapler slash soldering iron. Does MIG flux core and also does TIG scratch start, meaning you have to touch the metal, lift it off, that'll start your arc, and then you can start welding. They gave me $30 off this machine. I did buy it with my own money. They gave me $30 off with the promise that I would do this video. And like I said, the welding cart, cheap, small, just the cheapest one you can buy at Harbor Freight. $50 normally. Got it on sale, like I said, $30. Great for this welder. Seems pretty sturdy, and actually, surprisingly, the hardware kit on this welding cart is actually better than the hardware kit on the better welding cart. This is all nuts and bolts. The other one is just screws. Easy to strip out if you are using a drill or something of that to screw it in. You can strip them out real easy. On the other one, this one is all nuts and bolts, so you're not going to strip anything out. It'll do the job for the welder that I have. It'll do the job nicely. I like the other box better for my big welder. So yeah, I like it. Comes with a pretty good instruction manual. You know, tells you how to put it together and shows you what you're doing, and picture of the cart. Yeah, the cart's pretty decent for a $30 welding cart. It'll do the job. And next we'll go on to this. This is the Simder SD5010 Pro, I believe is the name of this. I already cut the tape. I haven't taken it out, but I've cut the tape just to make the video easier. So without further ado, let's get into the box. What's in the box? I'm actually going to set this box on the floor. I will tell you, after unboxing the 4050 Pro, this is a totally different experience. No very little styrofoam in the box. The cables and all the stuff to do the welding is just thrown in here. It's not anywhere near what the 4050 Pro was. Yeah, let's get into it. This will be nice and easy. You may hear my animals roaming around. Alright, first things first, let's pull this out, and this is your MIG torch, I believe. And there's a bag with tips in it for the end, so that when you use up the one in here, you got two more, which is nice. They give you some extras. Here is your soldering iron. Feels pretty decent. I used to RC race, so I'm real familiar with soldering irons, and definitely nice. Definitely nice. Let's see, next is going to be your ground cable, which looks to be the same ground cable they gave you in the 4050 Pro. Yep, same. I think it's a European end on it. And your stick welder, stick holder, whatever. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, this is your hot stapler. Your plastic hot stapler. Instruction manual, and they do give you the 3 different kinds of staples. So I absolutely will pull this out and give that a run. Oh, I take that back. There's 4 different kinds of staples in here. Wow, that's pretty nice. Let's see. In here, oops, the adapter. This is a 110 plug. This is your step to 240 or 220, whatever it is. I think it's actually 220. So here's your adapter for that. And then that's it. Everything's out of the box. Box can be pushed aside. Let's move all these cables and everything down here to the second shelf. There we go. Put the adapter down here. Take the bag off. This is maybe half the size of the other one. Also, I will say right off the jump, very slick on here. Slides all over. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to remedy that. You can definitely tell the difference between the high-end welder and the low-end welder. This is on sale, I believe, right now for the Christmas sale for $180, $179.99, I believe, through Simder.com or whatever their website is. I believe it's Simder.com. SSIMDER, double S on the front. Yeah, let's pop her open. And the first thing I notice is the mechanism in here is plastic. It's not like the Big Brother that has the all metal. I believe this will only take the 2-pound rolls. So you're not going to use a 10-pound roll with this. But yeah, there she is. I'll turn on some lights and we'll get a closer look. All right. Sorry for all the jumping around. Be back in 1 minute.